mechanic, Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow! Even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the mud! I mean, the wrecking bandits!
We are no longer the wrecking bandits. We are now the glue bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits. Tumbling test tubes. It seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation. Oh, no! Ah, it seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it. Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid. Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station.
Hi-ya! Being a ninja is awesome!
Yeah! Robo Ninja 2!
Hi-ya! Ah! That hurts.
Don't worry, Troy. Only a real ninja can punch through a plank.
Wow!
That's great, Morphle.
My ninja manual says a real ninja can not only punch through a plank, but they can also climb really well.
Ninja Morphle can climb!
And ninjas can jump really far and quick.
That's awesome.
Also, a ninja can hide himself everywhere.
Hide?
Wow! Where did he go?
I don't know. There you are. You are really good at hiding as well.
Now you only need to chop fruit in the air. Now you're a real ninja.
Woohoo!
A real ninja?
The bandits!
No, today we are the ninja masters.
Yeah, how can Morphle be a real ninja if he doesn't know the super secret ninja move?
Wow! What's the super secret ninja move?
Morphle wanna learn! Morphle wanna be best ninja!
Okay, then. Listen carefully. You first have to go to the school.
But no one can see you go there.
Then you have to find a yellow flower. Put it on your head.
And dance around with it.
Now that Morphle is learning the super secret ninja move,
We can kidnap Mila.
Oh no! Why are you doing this?
to lay a trap for your ninja friend, of course.
Oh, to test out the super secret ninja move. Good idea. Morphle, help! Morphle, help!
Mila! Morphle be ninja! Ninja climb! Now ninja jump!
Oh, what was that?
Ninja high!
I don't see Morphlestein.
Morphle, you're here.
I'll activate the trap, Yorn.
Super secret ninja move!
He's actually doing it, Stein. Oh no, it's a bee! Run, Stein!
Ouch! Ooh! Ow! Oh! Ooh! Ah! Oh!
There you are. The Bandits did all of this for you.
Yeah! Thank you, Bandits!
Sure. Ouch! Ooh! Ow!
Thanks for coming with me to the doctor, Morphle, even though it might be a little boring.
Morphle like doctor!
That's good to hear. Now, if you could take a seat right here. Is your sight better or worse? Worse. And now? Better. And now? It's the same. All done.
Morphle want to test too!
All right, then. How well can you see, Morphle?
No good.
And now? How about now?
Yeah, Morphle see good.
As I expected. I'll print out the results for you. Be sure not to mix them up, Morphle.
Ooh! Bye-bye!
Hey, wait up, Morphle. See you next time, Doctor. Bye now. Now, let me see that test result of mine, Morphle. Oh, wow. It says here I don't need glasses anymore. Now let me see your test, Morphle. Oh, dear. It looks like you need my glasses. Let's get them adjusted so they will fit you. Are you happy with your glasses, Morphle?
Yeah, Morphle happy! But Morphle see bad.
Me too. But I'm sure the doctor knows best. I think our eyes just need a little time to adjust. In the meantime, why don't we go play at the beach?
Yeah!
What are you doing?
People are not very friendly today. Wow! It's a great day at the beach. These are the best waves I've ever seen. But all that surfing made me hungry. Let's get some ice cream. Ah, refreshing. Let me see if it's time to pick up Mila from school. I think we still have time to feed the magic pets back at the store, Morphle. I think it's time we call your dad.
I can't believe they forgot about me.
I need to feed Brother Time. Could you hand me that magic pet food, Morphle?
What are you doing? Are you blind?
Far from it. We just had our eyes checked, Police Officer Freeze.
I'm not Police Officer Freeze. I'm Zookeeper Kenneth.
Huh? You Kenneth?
Anyway, Morphle needs glasses now, and I don't.
Hey!
See? You need glasses, and Morphle doesn't.
Hey, this isn't the magic pet shop. Oh, no. We must have mixed up the test results. And look at the time. We need to pick up Mila from school, Morphle.
Oh, Mila!
Those guys. I'm glad they have Mila who can keep an eye on them. Robo Freeze has 4 settings: off, lenient, strict, and very strict. You should never turn this dial to very strict.
Why not, Professor?
No problem. Let's see what Robo Freeze can do. You seem like good kids. Now, let's see if he can stop crime. With the bandits causing so much trouble, I could use some help with my police work.
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Perfect. Be sure to leash your dog.
Oh, sorry, officer.
Have a good day, young lady.
Oh, well, thank you.
Be careful not to kick the ball into the flowers. Not in my city. You get a ticket.
What? But.
Ah! Oh, my ball.
Oh, no.
Something's wrong.
Robo Freeze must have been turned to very strict. Look.
You get ticket for walking on grass. I wasn't even walking on the grass. You were going to what?
We have to turn the dial down.
Yeah.
Aww. Go after it, Morphle.
Oh no.
There it is. Try again, Morphle.
Morphle, no catch.
Unacceptable!
This has to stop. But how?
I have an idea. We need Robo Freeze to come to us. Morph into a megaphone. I'm about to step on the grass.
Stop. You're getting a ticket.
Now, Morphle.
Phew! You did it, Meland Morphle.
Ahem.
Oh no. Maybe 2 Peter Freezes are too much.
Wow!
All those crazy magic pets. Why can't they be quiet for once? What? That's it! I've enough of this.
Aw, what's wrong? Vanderboos doesn't want to play with you? Aw, that's no fun. But we can play together.
With these seeds, my heads will grow so big that those pesky neighbors won't be able to annoy me any longer. But how many seeds do I need? Oh, well, let's just plant all of them.
I think the little dragon isn't sad anymore.
What?
Oh no! We have to save Vanderboos! Morphle, quick! Morph into an airplane!
What have I done? Oh no! Oh, please make it stop! What?
I can't hold it still!
What? Thank you, Mila and Morphle. You saved me. And a special thanks to you, little dragon.
You see, Mr. Vanderboos? Magic pets are super friendly and helpful as well. Camping was such a great idea. This is going to be so much fun. Yeah!
This is fun and all, but I feel like doing something more exciting.
Morphle, morph into a speedboat. Hang on, guys.
Yeah. Yeah!
Woohoo! Oh no! Where did our towels go? Somebody must have taken them. Morphle, morph into a kite.
Yeah!
Huh? Our food is gone.
Not again.
Something strange is happening, Morphle. Starting a campfire is so hard.
But I want to have these delicious marshmallows.
Morphle, morph into a dragon.
I wonder who or what is stealing all our stuff.
Maybe it is a monster. Roar!
Ah!
And the monster comes during the night and eats you while you sleep. What was that? Morphle, let's have a look. Hey, I think it's scared of us. Aw, I think it's just a baby, and it doesn't have its mother. It just took our stuff because it was hungry and alone. Hey, buddy, don't be afraid.
Let's find its mother.
I wonder where she could be.
Whoa! Its mother must be huge.
Are going to jail! You hear me? Come back here!
Oh no! Peter Freeze thinks the mother is evil, but she's only looking for her baby.
Mama! Mama! Ha! Finally caught you.
No, wait! She is just looking for her baby.
What? Ah, I see.
I'm sorry, monster. Seems like I had you all wrong. You are free to go.